How to create a new Gmail account on Mac. To create a new Gmail account on Mac, go to your preferred browser. I will use Safari, but you can use any browser. Write on the search bar mail.google.com. Now, tap on Create Account. You can select for yourself or manage your business. If you wish a Gmail account, click for Myself. Write your first name and last name. Write your desired username. If that is not available, you will need to choose another one. Write the password and confirm the password. Click on Next. Here you can add the phone number if you like so. Also, you can add the recovery email. Select your birthday and select your gender. Now click Next. I agree with Google Terms of Service. You can also click on More Options to see every other option. Click on Create Account. Now, you have created a Gmail account on your MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.